Today we're going to talk to you about the 5 reasons why you should get yourself a Pipercross intake for your car. With over 400 applications available right now across our range, it's never been easier to find the intake for your car. Simply head to pipercross.com and search via the make, model and year and you'll find your intake as well. From concept to completion, every part of the design and manufacturing process is done right here in-house at Pipercross. We use the latest in 3D scanning, 3D printing and flow technology, resulting in the best possible product for your car every time. Installation has also never been easier, whether you're fitting our Pipercross Carbon AirMax kits or the Pipercross open cone intake. Every installation should be a simple driveway job. However, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us at pipercross.com. Every Pipercross kit is meticulously tested to ensure the best possible performance gains, whether that's from our latest AirMax Carbon enclosed intake or the open cone for more induction noise from our Heritage range. Proudly manufactured in the UK for over 40 years, Pipercross is entrusted by professionals and enthusiasts alike globally to ensure they get the best possible filters every time. And that's the end of this video and the 5 reasons why you should upgrade your car with a Pipercross air intake system. The next 5 things we need you to do now is like, share, subscribe, hit that notifications bell and leave a comment below about any airflow questions you may have.